Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever seen a goose that looks like a lion? Sounds crazy, right? But deep in the countryside of China, there's a special breed called the Lionheaded goose. And trust me, it's unlike anything you've ever seen. These geese are massive, bold, and have a giant bump on their heads that makes them look like tiny lions marching through the fields. But they aren't just interesting to look at. They're hard workers too, mowing down fields, clearing weeds, and giving farmers a brand new way to make a living. Their meat? Tender, juicy, packed with protein, and surprisingly clean tasting compared to regular goose meat. Their feathers? Perfect for making super warm jackets that sell for top dollar. But raising them is no easy ride. Farmers have to deal with their aggressive attitude, huge appetites, and the massive cost of keeping them alive and healthy. Some even say it's a love-hate relationship. So what makes these lion-headed geese so special that farmers are willing to take the risk? Stick around, because what you're about to see is a wild mix of tradition, smart farming, and a bird that's changing lives one bite at a time. Let's dive into their world. In the quiet countryside of China, where wide rivers flow and green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, farmers raise a very special kind of bird, the lion-headed goose. These geese are not your everyday farm animals. They are huge, strong, and instantly recognizable because of the giant bump on their heads. This bump grows bigger as the goose gets older, making them look almost like a tiny lion guarding the fields. Born in Guan Province, lion-headed geese are true giants. They can weigh 3 times more than a normal goose, with some reaching a massive 65 pounds. Their powerful build and fearless nature have earned them the nickname Kings of Geese. They're not just big, they are bold and strong, often scaring off other birds with ease. But their real value lies in their meat. Unlike regular goose meat, which can sometimes have a strong fishy taste, lion-headed goose meat is tender, mildly chewy, and packed with flavor. It's high in protein, low in fat, and filled with nutrients that make it a prized ingredient in Chinese kitchens. In fact, in traditional Chinese medicine, their meat is believed to boost health and aid recovery. And there's more. Their soft, warm feathers are used to make premium down jackets that are both lightweight and incredibly warm. With their size, strength, and multiple uses, it's easy to see why farmers across China are so proud to raise these remarkable birds. However, raising these mighty geese is far from easy. Farmers quickly realize that success starts with one thing: choosing the right parent birds. Not every goose is born equal, so they travel to special seed farms, carefully inspecting the bird's health, living conditions, and even their feeding habits. A strong, healthy parent means better goslings with faster growth and tastier meat. But breeding lion-headed geese comes with its own challenges. They are seasonal breeders, laying eggs mainly during spring and winter. And even then, a single goose lays only about 25 to 30 eggs a year, a surprisingly small number. This low fertility makes it hard for farmers to expand their flock and slows down their business growth. And there's another issue. Lion-headed geese are terrible at finding food by themselves. Unlike regular geese that graze freely, these big birds depend entirely on farmers to bring food to them every single day. They eat a lot, and feeding hundreds or even thousands of them gets expensive fast. It's a heavy burden that many small farmers struggle to afford. Still, despite all the hardships, China remains the king of lion-headed goose farming, proudly producing over 93% of the world's supply. It's a tough road, but for some farmers, the rewards are worth the risk. Farmers often call these geese walking lawnmowers. And it's not just a funny nickname. They truly live up to it. Lion-headed geese naturally munch on grass, weeds, and even plant roots as they move around. No need for chemicals or heavy machinery. When a flock moves through a field, they leave behind a clean, grass-free area, almost like a natural cleaning crew. Farmers take full advantage of this. They let the geese graze in orchards, where the geese clear out unwanted plants without damaging the trees. Tree canopies provide shade, keeping the geese cool on hot days, while the geese keep the ground neat and clean. It's a win-win system for both the land and the birds. Not only do these geese help with land maintenance, but they also grow incredibly fast. In just 10 to 11 weeks, a gosling can bulk up nearly 45 times its original weight. That's an unbelievable growth spurt in such a short time. Farmers discovered that by feeding them a simple blend of fresh greens, corn, and bran, they could speed up growth even more, without the high costs of expensive commercial feeds. This natural and smart method keeps the geese healthy, the costs low, and the farms running smoothly. Besides eating and resting, swimming plays a huge role in keeping lion-headed geese healthy and strong. Farmers create large natural ponds where these geese can dive, splash, and swim freely every single day. This daily swimming is not just for fun, it's essential for their well-being. When geese swim, they clean their feathers naturally, which helps them stay light, waterproof, and agile. Clean feathers are critical for healthy body movement and overall strength. Swimming also helps the geese regulate their body temperature, keeping them cool during the hottest parts of the day. It acts as a natural stress reliever too, making the geese calmer, happier, and more resilient. Plus, swimming builds up their muscles, giving them the power and endurance they need as they grow. Compared to geese raised in cages, these free-swimming birds are noticeably stronger, livelier, and much less prone to illnesses. Living close to nature helps them stay fit, full of energy, and perfectly conditioned for the next stages of their journey. Raising lion-headed geese isn't just about farming. It's about preserving tradition, creating new opportunities, and finding smart ways to work with nature. Through hard work, innovation, and respect for the land, Chinese farmers have turned a unique bird into a symbol of pride and prosperity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories from farms around the world. See you in the next video.